Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your turbo update for the day for Bitcoin. A lot of things to talk, so guys, let's go. So we are starting with CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going up 3% in the plus. We are now over 51,000, really nice. And we are in 7 days about 12% in the plus. We have a really nice green chart picture here on the right side. Ethereum is going up also, but not so fast as Bitcoin. 8% in the week, 1.1% in the day. The Binance coin is also going up 8% in the week. And Solana 19% in the week. ADA Cardano 29%. Guys, I have a nice video out there for ADA Cardano. I made it today. You have to watch it. It's really important. Also for IOTA, a nice video out there. Also, if you would like to have some free coins for IOTA, please watch my staking video, please. It's really important. XRP is also going up, and you can see the most coins are going up. Polkadot 38%, really nice. In 24 hours, the biggest winner is Voyager token, 19% in plus, Cadena 15.9%, and AMP is going up with 13.8%. Biggest loser XTC, Terra Luna and Curve token, they are going down, but only with 2%, not so big. In 7 days, the biggest winner, look at this, 84% in the plus, Near Protocol, Mooning, Phantom, Mooning, 80%, Aave, 68.9%, SushiSwap, Cadena, all these coins are mooning for the moment. The altcoins are mooning. Bitcoin is not mooning so fast as the altcoins. Biggest loser, Yunus, Yearn and OKP, but only 3.4, 2.8 and 2.1%, not so much. We have fear in the market, but not so much fear as yesterday. We have 40 points. Yesterday we had 37 points. Now we have 40 points fear in the market. The Bitcoin dominance, and that's a big bad thing, guys. You can see we are going down with this parallel channel, and now we have the confirmed closing candles under the support line. We are under 40.2%. We are at the moment at 40.01, 40.02%. We are now under this support line, and guys, that means the altcoins are better to trade for the moment as Bitcoin. You can see this here on this chart picture. Now, let's move on. Bitcoin price prediction. What is telling us this one? Today we see we are going up a little bit more, maybe 52,100. And after this, we may see a bump to the downside, 48,000. And in the next days, a little sideways, a little up and down, not so much power here. And I think here on January, we will start the next bull run, maybe. So bullish, 70% bullish, 30% bearish. Okay, that's okay. And that's the summary of all these indicators. Now let's watch this one. This is the support levels. These are the support levels, really important. Support number 1, 49.8, 48.8 and 48.1 is support level number 3. That's the biggest support level with the most strength here. You can see it on this side. 48.1 is the biggest support. We should hold this. To the upside, we have some resistance, 58.4, 42.1 and 43.1 is the biggest resistance on the upside for the moment. So we are between this both support and resistance. Now let's watch. We are going down now a little bit, says this prediction here, until the end of the year. And maybe we will start with January the 2nd, January the 3rd. We will make a nice pump to the upside. That's also the same picture as on IOTA and ADA. I made nice videos. Please watch it, guys. And you can see maybe on January the 9th, we will have 60,000 back. This would be really awesome. After this, a little up, a little down. And if we are watching this till the end of the month, we will see, okay, we are going back to 55,000. That is predicting us this Coin Codex price prediction. Really interesting here, this stuff. And let's watch what's going on now. We are watching here on investing.com, and these are the patterns, and this is also really bad, guys. The evening star. We have here a really bad evening doji star, a bearish reversal pattern with a high reliability. We saw a little bump to the upside from the downside. Now we saw this doji star since 2 days on Christmas Day, 25th, and now maybe we're going down. This is predicting us this pattern, so attention, guys. We maybe go down here a little bit. This is our chart analysis, and you can see this picture from yesterday, and you saw this diamond pattern. I told you guys, if we will break down this diamond pattern, we have a technical target about 49,200. And what happened? We reached 49,400. So it was a perfect short position here. If you made a short position, you made little gains here. Congratulations to all. To make this, if you made it with leverage, you made millions. So after this, the big question is what's going on now? We can remove the diamond pattern. We don't need it anymore for the moment. It's over. We reached our target, not perfect, but we reached it. And now we have this chart picture with a fat red resistance line a new uptrend channel. It's something like this here, and you can see we are going up in a big uptrend and we are going up in a little uptrend. Everything is okay. Uptrends are okay, guys. What is the big resistance? The fat big resistance is this red line, and you can see this is the middle line from the big uptrend. So that's the first thing we can see if we're watching this chart picture here. The next thing what we can see here on this chart picture, let me show you, is this one, guys. You know it if you're watching my videos, you can see it here. This is the 1 hour time frame. What can we see here? We can see here a really interesting pattern. We can see here a cup. We can see here a handle, and we can see this is a cup and handle pattern. And you can see this is the parallel channel to the downside. This is the cup, and we broke out to the upside. Really, really nice. So guys, we have a new target to the upside because we broke this cup and handle pattern to the upside. And I can show you this target. This target is here, the red line. We can use the red line from the lowest point to the highest point, and we can use it here to the handle. And now you can see it. Where is the target? The technical 52,700 is the technical target. And guys, 52,500 is the first target here because we have here the Fibonacci line 0.382. So in my opinion, it's really, really possible to see in the near future 52,000. And we have, first of all, the fat red line here. We must come over this fat red line. So a lot of resistance over us, but it's possible because of this nice target here, because of this nice technical target, that we can reach it. Now let's watch really, really quick back. What is telling us the prediction here? On January the 9th, we will hit 60,000. So if we are checking this with this one, we can say, okay, yes, it's possible. It is maybe the right direction. Maybe, first of all, we can reach 52,000, and in January, we will go up to 60,000. Yes, that's possible. But I will show you this prediction a little bit later, tomorrow, or maybe in 2 days, we will make a new price prediction here for this one. First of all, it's important what's going on with this cup and handle. That's more important, in my opinion, in this short update. Now, before we end this video, guys, let me show you some indicators. Let me show you the relative strength index, and let me show you the Ichimoku. Where is the relative strength index? That's not the right one, but it's not so important. You can see on the 1 hour time frame, we are really high. We are really high, and maybe we are overbought. I can see it with these two lines here, but I think we are overbought. I think the blue line is the right one. So guys, attention, attention. We are maybe overbought. Maybe we are going down a little bit. Maybe we retest the handle and then we break up. We have to watch, guys. We have to watch. Let's check the next indicator. Let's check where it is, the ribbon band. This is now really important. Ribbon band. So my internet is really slow today. Okay, here it is. We have a nice green ribbon band on the 1 hour time frame. We have a nice green support on the downside. Here's the EMA 200, 49,700, something about this. And this is really, really nice. So ribbon band is looking nice. We have a long signal here. Everything is okay. Now at the end of this video, let me show you the daily, and let me show you what's going on the daily. You can see the red ribbon band. We are fighting in the middle of the red ribbon band. This is really nice. And we have the EMA 200 also here as a nice support. So guys, this is not so bad for the moment, in my opinion. It's not so bad to move on here with Bitcoin. I think it's possible to move here higher and higher. 52,000, maybe 55,000 here on the upside. And maybe January the 9th, we will see 60,000. It would be really, really nice. You can see it here, clear. EMA 200 is here. But let's remove this. And now, last but not least, don't forget this one, the golden cross, death cross indicator, guys. We are still in a golden cross zone. You can see it here. We saw a nice pump to the upside. Now we went down, and now the big question is, can the green line here stay over the red one? Yes or no? This is the big question, because if we will see a cross about these two lines here, we will see a death cross, and this would be really, really bad. You can see the price for the green line for the moment, 54,500. You can see the price for the red line, 57,700. And we need to stay with the green line over the red one. That's now really, really, really important. Guys, that's the big picture for the moment. It's not a really, really big video. It's a short 10-minute update. But guys, I think you know everything you need to know, guys, I think. So have a nice time, guys. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.
System activated.